मैंगनीज के लिए उड़ीसा, महाराष्ट्र, एंड देन वी हैव सीन एमपी, महान एमपी का फॉर द कार कर्नाटका. So we have seen limestone distribution in India, and the limestone it is utilized in which? Yes, tell me, what is the use of limestone? Yes, what is the use of limestone? First, it is in the iron and steel industry and second, cement industry. Which are I said that? So the two industry, जैसे मैं iron and steel industry finish करूँगा, we'll see also cement industry, because cement industry के लिए what are the raw material I have said that? First I said that 160 kg, perhaps you remember, रट जाओ, 160 kg limestone. Then I said that 34 kg coal, 34 kg coal, 4 kg gypsum, 0.4 kg, I said that limestone, clay, and 0.4 kg bauxite for making 100 kg of cement. For making 100 kg of cement, you need, I said that 160 kg of limestone, 34 kg of coal, 4 kg of gypsum, very much needed, and then 0.4 kg of clay and 0.4 kg of bauxite for making how much? 100 kg of cement. So the limestone is जहाँ पे coal deposits होगा और साथ में lime होगा, that region must be again what? Cement industry. Understood it? So after finishing this iron and steel industry, I will do cement industry. Then I will go for bauxite distribution, then aluminum industry, and this way I will go for now. So first I said that iron and steel industry in India. और जैसे ही मैं कराऊं उसके बाद आपका एक टॉपिक होना चाहिए, वन जो इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफी पेपर 1 में ही है, आपको अच्छे से पोलराइजेशन इफेक्ट, यस, बैकवर्ड्स इफेक्ट, ये कंसेप्ट्स को आप अच्छे से समझने की कोशिश करने लग जाएंगे, सो दैट यू कैन बिकम व्हाट इज एन हाउ टू, व्हाट इज एन यूज विद द इंडियन एस्पेक्ट्स एंड देन वर्ल्ड एस्पेक्ट्स. क्लियर? आई सेड दैट iron and steel industry, first I said that 1907, first two types of industry, iron and steel industry. One I said that integrated, another one I said that mini steel plant. And India has large number of mini steel plants, and integrated, major integrated, which are based on what? Raw material, which is raw material, several raw materials. Which are the several raw materials? Iron ore, coal, limestone, manganese, and large amount of water. These are the major requirement. And mini steel plant is what? It is based on scrapped iron, recycling of iron, scrapped and sponge iron. Mini steel plant is based on scrapped and sponge iron. Understood it? Got it? Scrapped and so every capitals of the state in India has an what? Nearby there is a must be a mini steel plant. First ये आप जरूर याद रखें. और mini steel plant generally it is an what? Serving to the what? Serving to the market based industry. Serving to the what? Market based industry. Yes, mini steel plant किसको सर्व कर रहा है? Automobile industry, Yes, which one? Automobile. तो आज के डेट में automobile industry in every capital states, in every state's capital there is an what I said that automobile industry. So again then automobile industry के लिए क्या चाहिए? There is one of the best major important raw material is which one? Steel. So again there is a need of I said that the mini steel plant is serving which two important industry? Market based industry. जो भी वहाँ पे market में होगा तो उसको any industry को construction के लिए क्या चाहिए? Steel is the major important. Another I said that which one? And or integrated steel plant is working at national level, that is in a domestic industry, whatever it is in a major domestic industries, and then international market. So here it is in a covering, it is covering which two? Domestic, and I said that international, and it is covering at a small scale market based, and it is covering, yes, tell me, automobile industry. Understood it? So let us see first which are the major integrated steel plant that we have to see in India and where their distribution is. In India, if we'll see like major integrated steel plant, you know that this is Bokaro Steel. Which one I said that? Which are the major integrated steel plant of India? Yes? Bokaro. That is 1972. It has been formed with the help of Russia. It has been formed in collaboration with, कैसे याद करते चलेंगे, पहले लिख लेंगे मेजर इंटीग्रेटेड स्टील प्लांट इन इंडिया एंड देयर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. Which one I said that major integrated steel plant? First, Bokaro in Jharkhand. Understood? And in 1972 किसके हेल्प से बना? It has been formed with the help of, तो जो अब मैं आपको याद करा रहा हूं, जो ज्यादा बकबक करे ना, बोकारो, जो ज्यादा बकबक करे उसको रस पिला दिया करो, तो रस पीने में वो शांत हो जाएगा. बोकारो हैज बीन मेड इन कोलैबोरेशन विद, क्या पिलाया, क्या पिलाया, क्या पिलाया? सो भिलाई हैज बीन ऑल्सो फॉर्म्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ रशिया. पिलाई, क्या पिलाई? भिलाई स्टील प्लांट. It is in the 1957. It is in 1957 with the help of Russia. So here we have been able to see Bhilai steel plant in the Durg district. Here it is in Chhattisgarh. Able to locate. And thereafter this one is which I said that? Bokaro steel plant. Able to locate. Now here I said that this is I said the whole industrial region जहाँ पे रानीगंज coal field is there, and there it is, and I said Durgapur steel plant, which I said that Durgapur steel plant, 1959 with the help of Britain, 1959. कैसे याद करोगे? दुर्गा माँ इज मच ब्यूटीफुल देन ब्रिटनी स्पीयर. दुर्गा माँ इज बेटर देन ब्रिटनी स्पीयर. और हमारे यहाँ की जितनी भी वाइफ होती बाद में क्या हो जाती है? दे आर दुर्गा माँ. अंडरस्टूड? एंड आफ्टर दैट देयर इज एन इंडियन आयरन एंड स्टील कंपनी, इंडियन आयरन एंड स्टील कंपनी 1937, Indian Iron and Steel Company, ISCO, in West Bengal. अच्छा ये कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है यहाँ पर? दुर्गापुर, आसनसोल इज a district. Yes, it is in which district? Vardhaman district. In which district? Vardhaman district. और वर्धमान एंड देन वर्धमान में आप यहां देखोगे दुर्गापुर, and here you will see this is Kulti, Burnpur, Hirapur. Which are the three iron steel plant I am saying? These three are together known as ISCO. Kulti has been formed in 1864. Hirapur has been formed in 1908, 1864, 1900, and Burnpur in 1937, and they have been become ISCO, Indian Iron and Steel Company. Kulti, जितना भी टी है, हाउ मेनी टी यू हैव? कुल चाय, कुल टी को आपने क्या किया? बर्न किया तो वो क्या बन गया? कोल में कन्वर्ट हुआ, कोल कन्वर्टेड इनटू हीरा. So I said that Kulti, Burnpur, Hirapur, they have been become, and I said that, and then Burnpur portion has been disinvested. Burnpur has been this ISCO branch Burnpur has been disinvested. So able to look it? I said that this is Bokaro, this is I said that Bhilai, Bokaro, Russia, Bagbag kar raha tha Rus, 1972, Bhilai, 1957, and then this is Durgapur steel plant, and it is I said in which 1959 Brittany, and here we have I said Kulti, Hirapur, and Burnpur, Hirapur, understood? And this is 1937 altogether. Now this is the major integrated steel plant Rourkela in Sundargarh, जो जहाँ दिखाया था मैंगनीज. Rourkela in 1959, 58-59, and it is with the help of Germany. It is with the help of Germany. किसके हेल्प से बना? और केले में क्या लग जाता है? जब केला आप ज्यादा दिन नहीं खाते हो तो पड़ा हुआ क्या बन जाएगा? उसमें जम्स आ जाएंगे. व्हाट विल बी देयर? सो राउरकेला हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ जर्मनी. अंडरस्टूड? सो वी हैव सीन इन द झारखंड, वी हैव सीन इन द छत्तीसगढ़, वी हैव सीन इन द वेस्ट बंगाल, वी हैव सीन इन द उड़ीसा, एंड देन सम इमर्जिंग मेजर इंटीग्रेटेड स्टील प्लांट. इट इज आई सेड दैट, एंड देन एक प्राइवेट सेक्टर में देखेंगे झारखंड में जमशेदपुर 1907 इन ईस्ट सिंहभूम, नॉट इन वेस्ट सिंहभूम. जमशेदपुर 1907, जमशेदपुर 1907. क्लियर? एंड जमशेदपुर का ही टिस्को, दैट इज टाटा आयरन स्टील कंपनी, टिस्को. टिस्को का एक अनदर ब्रांच इज स्टार्टिंग इन द कलिंगा नगर. सो इट इज इन विच स्टील प्लांट? आई सेड दैट कलिंगा नगर स्टील प्लांट. विच आई सेड दैट इट इज इन अ पार्ट ऑफ कलिंगा नगर. इट इज also major integrated steel plant. Major integrated steel plant simply means that there is a need of list of raw materials, large amount. Another, it is a coastal cities में चले जाओगे. In this one there is an, I said that Paradip. Which one I said that? Paradip port, Paradip steel plant. लेकिन ये comparatively उतने बड़े मेजर नहीं है जहां पे आपको बोला जाएगी large amount of production is there. पारादीप और नियर बाई आपको क्या बन रहा है? पास्को, And now the fourth one in the Odisha, it is Gopalpur. यहाँ पर है गंजम डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, इन गोपालपुर स्टील प्लांट. Clear? So which are the major integrated steel plant till now you have seen? Bokaro, Jamshedpur in Jharkhand, 1972 Russia, and Jamshedpur private itself 1997, and Bokaro 1972. Now Chhattisgarh mein which one I said that this one is? Bhilai in the Durg district, and here it is in the 1900 I said that 57. These are the two. Okay. Now we have to see 1959 which one I said that? Durgapur with the help of Britain, and then our own ISCO, Kulti, Hirapur, Banpur, Kulti 1864, Hirapur 8 Hira 1900, and beach mein Banpur 1937. They become ISCO. Thereafter I said that Raurkela 1958-59, and this is I said that which one? Germany, and then Kalinganagar, a part of what I said